Let's see how to change your website's name in Wix. So first, we just have to select the site. Then from your dashboard, you see three dots here that says Site Actions. Then you just have to click Rename Site. And from here, you can name your site, or you can also name your site address. Then when you click this Design Site here or Edit Site, it will lead you to the editor. And from here, you can change your website name by changing your website name here, just by double clicking this and then edit your name right here. Or you can go to the Add Elements button and see text right here and add some headings or some text. And when you add it, you can now proceed to editing your website name. And that's it. It's pretty simple, right? That's how to change your website's name in Wix. See you soon.